You bought something at a store, but it does not fit. Or maybe it is broken. Do you know how to return it in English?
Today you will learn the exact words and phrases you need. Returning items in English is easy when you know what to say.
Welcome to Learn English. I am William. Today is a Level A2 episode, perfect for elementary learners who want to practice everyday English.
And I am Sarah. Today's topic is returning items at a store. This happens a lot in real life, and it is important to know how to communicate clearly.
In the first conversation, I am a customer trying to return a jacket, and Sarah is the store employee. I do not have my receipt, so it is a little complicated.
In the second conversation, William comes back with his receipt and tries to exchange the jacket for a different size. Listen carefully to the vocabulary. Hello. Welcome to Style Point. How can I help you today?
Hi. I bought this jacket here last week, but I want to return it. The zipper is broken.
I am sorry to hear that. Do you have your receipt?
I am sorry, I do not have the receipt. I lost it. Can I still return the jacket?
Let me check our return policy. Without a receipt, we can offer store credit, but we cannot give a cash refund. Is that okay?
I was hoping for a refund. The jacket is defective. The zipper broke after only 2 days.
I understand. Because the item is defective, that is different. Let me call my manager. Defective items may qualify for a full refund even without a receipt.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Hello, this is the returns desk. I have a customer with a defective jacket and no receipt. Can we process a refund? Yes, okay. Thank you. Good news. Because the jacket is defective, the manager has approved a full refund. Do you have the original packaging?
No, I do not have the original packaging. I threw it away when I got home.
That is fine for this case since the item is defective. We can still process the refund. How did you pay, cash or card?
I paid by credit card.
The refund will go back to your credit card in 3 to 5 business days. Here is your return confirmation slip.
Great conversation. Now let us look at the key vocabulary. First, the return policy. Every store has different rules. Some stores give you 30 days to return an item. Others give you only 14 days. Always read the return policy before you buy.
A refund is when the store gives your money back. This is the best result when you return something. You get the same amount you paid. A store credit is different. It is money you can only use in that store.
The word defective is very important. If something is defective, it means it was broken or not working when you bought it. It is the store's fault, not yours. Defective items usually have special return rights, even without a receipt.
And the receipt, this small piece of paper, is very powerful. With a receipt, you can almost always get a refund. Without a receipt, it is more difficult. Always keep your receipts for at least 30 days after you buy something. Now let us listen to the second conversation. William is back at the store the next day. This time he has his receipt and wants to exchange the jacket for a different size. Welcome back. How can I help you today?
Hi. I was here yesterday. I got a refund for a defective jacket, but I still really like this style. I would like to exchange it for a new one in a larger size.
Of course. What size are you looking for?
I bought a medium, but I think I need a large. I have my receipt this time.
Perfect. Let me check if we have that jacket in large. One moment, please.
Sure. Also, do you have it in a different color? The navy blue is nice, but I saw a dark green one online.
We have the large in navy blue and in gray, but not in dark green in store. I can order the dark green online and ship it to your address. No extra charge.
That sounds great. I will take the large in gray today. And if it does not fit, can I exchange it again?
Yes, as long as it is within 30 days and the item is not damaged. Just bring your receipt and the item in good condition. Our manager handles all special cases at the service desk.
Got it. 30 days. Good condition. Keep the receipt. I will do that. Thank you for all your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy the jacket. Have a great day.
3 more words from that second conversation. First, exchange. To exchange something means you return it and get a different one. You do not get money back. You get a new product instead. You can exchange for a different size, color, or style.
Original packaging means the box, bag, or plastic wrap the product came in. Some stores require original packaging for returns. If you think you might return something, keep the box.
And manager. In any difficult situation at a store, you can always ask for the manager. Say, "Can I speak to the manager, please?" The manager has more authority and can approve exceptions to the rules.
Repeat after me time. Listen, pause, and say each phrase out loud. Speak slowly and confidently.
I would like to return this jacket, please.
The zipper is broken. The item is defective.
Can I exchange this for a larger size?
I have my receipt. I paid by credit card.
Can I speak to the manager, please?
Quiz time. 3 questions about what you heard today. Think of your answer, then listen to ours.
Question 1. What is the difference between a refund and store credit?
A refund is your money back, real cash, or back to your card. Store credit is money you can only use in that same store. A refund is usually better for the customer.
Question 2. Why did the manager approve William's refund even without a receipt?
Because the jacket was defective, the zipper broke after only 2 days. Defective items usually get special treatment and can be returned even without a receipt.
Question 3. What are the 2 conditions for exchanging the new jacket within 30 days?
The 2 conditions are, first, you must bring your receipt. Second, the item must be in good condition, not damaged or worn.
Excellent work today. You now know how to return and exchange items in English. You learned keywords like return policy, refund, store credit, exchange, and defective.
If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who is learning English. New episodes every week.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Keep going. Your English is getting better every single day. See you next time.